This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an API on Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account and locate the Settings menu. From there, find the API Access section. You'll need to create a new API key, which is essentially a unique identifier for your application. Remember to assign appropriate permissions to control what your API key can do, ensuring your account remains secure. This initial step is crucial for safe integration. After defining permissions, generate your API key and its secret. The secret is vital for authentication and will only be displayed once, so copy it immediately and store it in a very secure location. Never share your secret key publicly. For enhanced security, consider whitelisting specific IP addresses. This means only requests originating from those approved IP addresses can use your API key, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. Understanding API permissions is critical for safe operation. Read-only access allows your application to view account data, like balances and transaction history, without making any trades. If you plan to automate buying or selling, you'll need to grant trading permissions. Always review each permission carefully before saving your API key. Granting only necessary permissions minimizes potential risks, ensuring your API integration is both functional and secure for your specific needs. Once your API key is generated and secured, integrate it into your application or trading bot. Always follow best practices for API security, such as never hard-coding your secret key directly into your code. Regularly review your active API keys and their permissions, deleting any that are no longer needed. This helps maintain a robust security posture. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Stay vigilant with your API management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.